Hello, my name is Emma and I am the student intern at Netball Mainland. One issue I faced during my internship was the organisation of the pilot beach netball competition. Netball Mainland wanted to start a competition for junior high school students to be involved in a new sport in Term 4. The issue with this was that I found it very difficult to get responses from high schools to gauge the students' interest in signing up for this new pilot. The situation which led to this issue was that Netball Mainland, in conjunction with the Elmwood Club, wanted this competition to be targeted towards juniors who did not already play netball. This was because they wanted to target those that are not already involved in netball to get them involved and active. This meant that when I designed the posters and promotions, I had to make an emphasis on how fun and exciting the competition would be, and that you weren't required to have any prior knowledge on netball rules or beach net. We also sent to the schools a video of a previous beach net tournament so that the students could visually see what it would look like. I managed this issue by using creativity, initiative, and communication skills to help spark the interest in the students. The participants responded to my posters with great interest in signing up. The juniors were intrigued by the opportunity to play something new, and the students who were not very active liked the idea of not having pressure to be successful in sport, as it was simply a fun way to run around in the sand and be active with their mates. As we were targeting non-netball players, I also offered an information session prior to the pilot season beginning, so students could learn the basic rules and ask any questions if they had any. This experience taught me that youth want things to be fun and easy if they are starting something new. We had trouble gauging interest when all that was sent out was an email with the basic details, but when approached with an exciting looking poster that I had created and a video of what they could be doing, they became more interested in participating. This experience also taught me that not everything works the first time, and it's important to be adaptive in situations like this, and it's okay to change the original plan. The internship I'm doing is beneficial to my career in sport and recreation as I achieved planning and running a pilot competition, thinking on the spot and using creative marketing strategies, creating a draw and setting up registrations, and facilitating a competition, which I would not have done otherwise. The advice I would give future interns would be to not be afraid to say your opinion, even if you are just the intern. Sometimes a different perspective is what you need to make a breakthrough or to make a project even better. It's important to remember that it won't be long until you end up in the real world, so it's important to make mistakes while people know that you're still learning. I would also say that it's important to be onto it with communication with everyone that you come across, as it's important to be prompt and understand that often people will be waiting to hear back from you before they can do a job that they have to do.